how to change language to English on Spotify or on PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. First open your Spotify, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile here in top corner and then click settings, and as you see here you will find language. Now just click on it, first one here, click on it and then select any language you want here, and that's it. Then just go back, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.